Have you ever wondered how some people manage to retire not at 65, but at 40 or even 35? Today, we're diving into a lifestyle and financial movement that's making this possible. The FIRE movement, standing for Financial Independence, Retire Early. In this video, we'll explore the principles behind FIRE, showing you how adherents save aggressively and invest wisely to retire decades earlier than the norm. We'll break down the concepts, strategies, and real-life applications of FIRE, from understanding its basics to mastering the financial maneuvers that make early retirement feasible. Stay tuned as we discuss how to optimize income, manage expenses, and navigate the risks and rewards of this intriguing financial journey. Whether you're a seasoned saver or new to financial planning, there's something in this journey for everyone. So, let's get fired up and learn how to retire early through the FIRE movement. 1. Understanding FIRE. The FIRE, Financial Independence, Retire Early movement is a lifestyle revolution focused on a simple yet profound principle: save and invest aggressively to achieve financial independence well before the traditional retirement age. The goal is to accumulate assets that generate enough passive income to cover your living expenses indefinitely, allowing you to retire early and enjoy life on your own terms. At its core, the FIRE movement is built around maximizing savings and minimizing expenses. The philosophy encourages adherents to live frugally, often saving 50 to 70% of their income, and invest these savings in a mix of stocks, bonds, and real estate to build wealth rapidly. The idea is that the higher your savings rate, the sooner you can reach financial independence. This concept is often encapsulated in the FIRE equation: annual spending/safe withdrawal rate equals financial independence number. The safe withdrawal rate is typically around 3 to 4%, based on the amount you can theoretically withdraw each year without depleting your principal over time. The modern FIRE movement has roots in the 1992 bestseller, Your Money or Your Life, by Vicki Robin and Joe Dominguez. This book presented the idea that time is more valuable than money, and it provided a 9-step program that taught readers how to transform their relationship with money, save more, and ultimately achieve financial independence. The movement gained further traction in the late 2000s and early 2010s through personal finance blogs and books like Early Retirement Extreme by Jacob Lund Fisker, which introduced more radical cost-saving strategies and sustainability into the FIRE discourse. Furthermore, bloggers like Mr. Money Mustache, Pete Adonai, brought FIRE into the mainstream with practical advice and personal anecdotes about living a frugal yet richly fulfilling life. Financial independence, the status of having enough income to pay for one's living expenses for the rest of one's life without having to be employed or dependent on others. Safe withdrawal rate, SWR, the percentage of your investments that you can afford to withdraw each year without running out of money. Lean FIRE refers to retiring early on a minimalist lifestyle, requiring less savings. Fat FIRE targets a more traditional lifestyle with higher expenses in retirement, necessitating a larger nest egg. Understanding these terms and the philosophy behind the FIRE movement is crucial for anyone looking to escape the rat race early and achieve a sustainable, financially independent lifestyle. This approach not only changes how one views money and savings, but also redefines the very concept of retirement. 2. The mechanics of FIRE. The journey towards achieving financial independence and retiring early, FIRE, is rooted in a set of strategic financial maneuvers designed to maximize income, escalate savings rates, optimize investments, and minimize expenses. Understanding and applying these strategies effectively can significantly accelerate one's path to early retirement. Income optimization. The first step in the FIRE approach is to increase your income streams. This can involve advancing in your current career to achieve higher pay, changing jobs for better financial opportunities, or acquiring new skills that make you more marketable. Beyond conventional employment, creating additional income sources plays a pivotal role. This can be through side hustles, freelance work, or starting a business. Passive income streams, such as rental properties or earnings from intellectual property, are also integral, as they contribute to financial gains without a proportional increase in active working hours. High savings rate. Arguably, the most critical component of FIRE is maintaining an extraordinarily high savings rate. Proponents of FIRE typically aim to save between 50% and 70% of their annual income. Achieving such a high savings rate requires not only robust income, but also a commitment to a lifestyle significantly below one's means. This does not merely involve frugality in daily expenditures, but also making strategic decisions about larger financial commitments such as housing, transportation, and discretionary spending. Investment strategies. Effective investment is the engine of wealth accumulation in the FIRE movement. The key is not just to save money, but to invest it wisely to compound growth. Most FIRE adherents rely on low-cost index funds as their primary investment vehicle due to their broad market exposure and lower risk compared to individual stocks. Real estate investments also play a significant role for some in the FIRE community, offering both rental income and potential capital appreciation. The overall investment strategy is typically aggressive in the early stages of accumulating wealth and more conservative as one approaches the target retirement date. Expense management. Minimizing expenses is crucial and complements the high savings rate. Practitioners of FIRE meticulously track their spending and cut costs wherever possible without diminishing the quality of life. Common strategies include budgeting rigorously, opting for less expensive housing, using public transportation, cooking at home rather than dining out, and prioritizing free or low-cost entertainment options. It also involves smart shopping decisions, such as buying quality items that last longer to avoid frequent replacements. Tax optimization. An often overlooked aspect of FIRE strategies is tax optimization, ensuring that one's financial actions are as tax efficient as possible. This includes taking full advantage of tax-advantaged accounts like IRAs, 401(k)s, and HSAs. Strategic withdrawal plans to minimize tax liabilities in retirement are also a critical component of the FIRE planning process. Incorporating these financial strategies requires discipline, planning, and a willingness to live unconventionally compared to societal norms regarding consumption and lifestyle. However, for those committed to the FIRE movement, the reward of financial freedom and early retirement can be well worth the sacrifices. 3. Variations within FIRE. The FIRE movement encompasses various approaches tailored to individual financial situations and lifestyle aspirations. The most common variations include lean FIRE, fat FIRE, barista FIRE, and coast FIRE. Lean FIRE. Lean FIRE participants aim to retire early by drastically reducing their living expenses. This version of FIRE is attractive for those willing to live a minimalist lifestyle while maintaining a lower total savings threshold. Adherents typically manage to keep annual expenses so low that they can retire with less than what traditional retirement models suggest. Fat FIRE. Contrasting with lean FIRE, fat FIRE targets individuals who wish to maintain a more luxurious lifestyle into retirement. This approach requires a significantly larger nest egg, as it involves higher annual spending. Fat FIRE adherents save enough to sustain more considerable discretionary spending, travel extensively, and enjoy a generally higher standard of living. Barista FIRE. Barista FIRE followers plan to leave their full-time careers, but continue working in a part-time job that may provide benefits like health insurance, which can be a substantial cost in retirement. This strategy allows for a reduced withdrawal rate from their investments, extending the longevity of their retirement funds. Coast FIRE. Coast FIRE individuals have saved enough to cover their basic retirement needs by the conventional retirement age, allowing them to coast without needing to save further. They can then pursue lower-paying or more fulfilling work without the pressure to earn a significant income, as their investments continue to grow over time. 4. Challenges and considerations. While the FIRE movement offers an enticing prospect of early retirement, It comes with its set of challenges and considerations. Financial risks. Market volatility poses a significant risk, especially as many FIRE strategies rely heavily on stock market investments. A prolonged downturn can severely impact withdrawal plans and delay retirement. Lifestyle impacts. The level of frugality required for FIRE can strain personal relationships and reduce day-to-day living quality. Adherents must balance the joy of early retirement with potential present-day sacrifices. Healthcare. In countries like the United States, where healthcare is not universally provided, managing healthcare costs is a major challenge. Those retiring before being eligible for Medicare must secure private insurance, which can be costly and unpredictable. Psychological factors. Transitioning from full-time work to retirement involves significant psychological adjustments. FIRE individuals may face identity crises or a lack of purpose post-retirement, requiring them to find new ways to derive fulfillment and structure in their lives. Understanding these variations and challenges is crucial for anyone considering the FIRE path, as it requires meticulous planning and a deep commitment to a lifestyle that prioritizes future financial independence over immediate gratifications. The FIRE movement has inspired countless individuals to take control of their finances and achieve early retirement. For example, Pete Adonai, better known as Mr. Money Mustache, retired at 30 by saving a large portion of his income as a software engineer and investing in low-cost index funds and rental properties. His blog has since become a beacon for those seeking to emulate his success. Another notable story is that of Christy Shen and Bryce Leung, who retired in their early 30s with over $1 million saved. They now travel the world and share their journey through their blog and book, offering insights into how they achieved financial independence through smart investing and conscious spending choices. These stories showcase the varied paths within the FIRE movement, highlighting that financial independence can be accessible to a wide range of incomes and lifestyles, provided there is a strong commitment to the core principles of frugality, investment, and savings. If you're inspired to start your journey towards financial independence, consider subscribing for more tips and share your thoughts in the comments below. Let's ignite your financial future together.